Hi, welcome back to Dark Native Games and my computer build series. First, I want to start off and ask for forgiveness for any outside noises or wind because I am in my garage and I have my garage door open. So it's going to possibly be some side noises. Forgive me for that. But the reason we are in my garage is because this reveal is the biggest project I have ever attempted thus far. This is going to be Project Midgar. This will be an N-2 case with a GeForce RTX 3090 Founders Edition and an AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3970X. Yeah, that's right, Threadripper. This will be a Threadripper build, water cooled and all. We got our tubing here, we got a power supply. I went with the Revolt X. It's the actually fully module dual CPU battery that Fantex offers that was specific for this case. So if I want to later, I can even build a mini or a micro ITX in this build along with the Threadripper build I have here. Maybe, maybe not, we'll see. I'm trying to see what we're gonna do with this first. It's gonna be over the top. We're talking over 12, 15, I think even upwards of 15, if not more fans. We got our water cooler block for our CPU. We got our GPU block. This is the new EQ Quantum Vector FE that has the front and back plate for cooling for the 3090s because after doing some research, apparently 3090s get hot. And when I say hot, upwards of 100 degrees. So we want to make sure we keep this cool and we don't fry anything else. We are using the ROG Zenith 2 Extreme Alpha motherboard, excuse me, with 2 packs of 128 each Dominator Platinum RGB RAM. As I said before, this is going to be a huge build. So this is just some of the parts we're using. We got some SSDs. We got in the back, you probably can't see, but we have radiators for our water cooling. This is going to be great. For the average guy, that would be me. This could be a good example of how to go about building. Again, the way I build is just the way I build. It is not the end all be all, but I want to take you guys on this adventure and we will be starting Project Midgar. Hope to see you in the next video.